Welcome to Choice Champions. The best mouse click triggers is probably one of the most sought-after accessories for PlayStation 5 gamers looking to elevate their gameplay, offering a tactile and responsive edge that can make all the difference in fast-paced titles. These innovative devices aim to replicate the satisfying click of a mouse button directly onto your PS5 controller, potentially enhancing precision and reaction times for a more immersive and competitive gaming experience. If you're serious about improving your performance and want to feel every action with unparalleled clarity, then exploring the world of mouse click triggers for your PS5 might just be the upgrade you've been waiting for. Number 5. Razer Basilisk V3 Gaming Mouse. Experience the iconic ergonomic design that millions of gamers worldwide love. Its comfortable form factor perfectly supports your hand, with buttons placed for quick and easy access. Take control with 11 programmable buttons. Assign macros and secondary functions to execute essential actions like push to talk or ping with ease. Navigate content at lightning speed with a scroll wheel that offers free spin or tactile mode. Cycle through weapons or skills with satisfying precision. Immerse yourself in 11 customizable RGB lighting zones. Choose from millions of colors and effects that react dynamically with your favorite games. Enjoy crisp, responsive clicks with our Gen 2 optical switches. They provide lightning-fast actuation at 0.2 milliseconds, preventing unintended misclicks for up to 70 million clicks. Achieve pixel-precise accuracy with our best-in-class optical sensor. It flawlessly tracks your movement with zero smoothing for unparalleled responsiveness. What we like. This mouse offers an iconic ergonomic design with a thumb rest, perfect for long gaming sessions. Its 11 programmable buttons and hyperscroll tilt will provide unparalleled customization and speed. If you're looking for a versatile mouse that can adapt to various games and tasks with ease, this is the one for you. What people say. The ergonomic design feels great in hand, and the sensor is accurate and smooth. The customizable buttons and RGB lighting are a nice bonus. The scroll wheel is fantastic. It seems to control the mode with an electromagnet, so it makes a cool click sound when the computer is restarted and such. And it even has a setting in the software where you can have it tactile by default, but with a quick flick, it switches to free spin temporarily. Awesome. The Basilisk's cable is an absolute work of art. It's got a soft woven sleeve and is not stiff at all. Number 4. KontrolFreek Performance Grips for PS5 Controller. Elevate your gameplay with our advanced controller grips. Designed for PlayStation 5, they offer unparalleled control and comfort. Experience a new level of grip thanks to our 3-layer material combination. Enjoy enhanced support and comfort, even during intense gaming sessions. The moisture-wicking top layer keeps your hands cool and dry, maximizing grip. Optimize airflow for a consistently comfortable feel. Our unique foam cushioning layer conforms to your palm like dense memory foam. Get the support you need for longer, more enjoyable gaming. Applying them is a breeze, and you can reposition or remove them without any damage. They are designed to fit your controller perfectly. Choose from 3 stylish colors to match your setup: Nightfall Black, Inferno Red, and Galaxy Purple. Personalize your gaming experience. What we like. These grips provide a superior tactile experience for your controller, enhancing grip and comfort. The 3-layer system, including moisture wicking and foam cushioning, ensures your hands stay cool and supported. If you tend to sweat during intense gaming or simply want a more comfortable and secure hold on your controller, these are an excellent choice. What people say. This were much easier to install and they work well. The added padding is nice too. Has great grip, feels great in my hand. Without them on, my palms would sweat and sometimes I would drop the controller after a long gaming session. It has a nice height to it so you can easily control and hit buttons without having to smash them. They are thick so they should last. These grips are the best. Had them on my Xbox One and now on both my PS5 controllers. The newest gen controllers are so slippery, these are a must for me. Number 3. SCUF Instinct Pro Performance Series Wireless Xbox Controller. Experience faster gameplay with our new controller. It features remappable paddles and instant triggers to shave milliseconds off your reaction time. Customize your experience with savable paddle configurations and interchangeable thumbsticks. Optimize your playing ability with ease. Enjoy ultimate non-slip comfort with its high-performance grip. Wireless connectivity ensures you can dominate marathon gaming sessions without interruption. Make it your own. Express yourself with a wide variety of colors to customize your controller to your personal style. This controller is designed for peak performance. With its advanced features, you'll gain the ultimate advantage in every game. What we like. Experience faster gameplay with instant triggers that reduce pull time and 4 remappable back paddles for custom configurations. The high-performance grip ensures comfort during marathon sessions. If you're a competitive gamer seeking a performance edge and ultimate control, this controller is designed to help you dominate. What people say. The plastic faceplate feels very soft and smooth to the touch. The rubber grips will be great for sweaty gaming sessions, and the buttons are all beautifully responsive and springy. Bumpers and triggers feel amazing, too. It has a mute button built in. Oh, and the switches for the trigger locks feel very professional. The SCUF Instinct Pro is hands down the best controller I've ever used. The build quality is top-notch, with a premium feel that enhances gameplay immediately. The remappable rear paddles are a game-changer, allowing for faster reactions without taking my thumbs off the sticks, perfect for competitive gaming. Number 2. SOLAKAKA SM600 White Wireless Gaming Mouse. Experience unparalleled freedom with our tri-mode wireless gaming mouse. Connect seamlessly via 2.4G wireless, Bluetooth 5.1, or Type-C wired for ultimate versatility. Dominate the game with 7 programmable buttons and macro capabilities. Personalize your settings through our software to match your unique playstyle and conquer any challenge. Achieve pixel-perfect accuracy with adjustable DPI up to 8000 and a 1000 Hz polling rate. Enjoy zero latency and smooth gameplay, even in the most intense moments. Crafted with a lightweight honeycomb shell, this ergonomic mouse ensures comfort during long gaming sessions. Its hollow design enhances heat dissipation, keeping you cool under pressure. Immerse yourself in the game with stunning RGB rainbow backlighting. Effortlessly switch between multiple lighting modes to create the perfect atmosphere, especially in low-light conditions. Stay powered up with the built-in rechargeable battery. A low battery indicator will alert you when it's time to charge, and you can even continue playing while it powers up. What we like. This mouse offers incredible versatility with its tri-mode connection, 2.4G, Bluetooth, wired, and 7 programmable buttons for customization. Its lightweight honeycomb design and adjustable RGB lighting make it both comfortable and stylish. If you need a mouse that can seamlessly switch between devices and gaming setups, this is a fantastic option. What people say. You can adjust the sensitivity depending on the colors on the mouse, no problems at all setting up and using for long-term. Very light and quiet moves, very smooth on my mousepad, and there's no lag to it. Supports Bluetooth 5.1, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C wired. Adjustable DPI from 800 to 8000, 1000 Hz polling rate means smooth and precise tracking, ideal for gaming. Number 1. eXtremeRate Clicky Hair Trigger Kit for Nintendo Switch Pro Controller. Elevate your gaming experience with our custom Clicky Hair Trigger Kit, designed exclusively for the Nintendo Switch Pro Controller. Achieve faster response times and a competitive edge. Shorten your trigger distance to an incredible 0.8 mm. This allows for rapid-fire shooting and quicker reactions in your favorite games. Upgrading your controller is straightforward. Simply disassemble, replace the existing components with the new flex cable, and reassemble. You can find a helpful installation video guide online. The package contains the customized conductive flex cable, FPC board with a built-in rubber pad, a plastic tweezer, and screwdrivers. Please note that the controller itself is not included. This kit is designed to work perfectly with the Nintendo Switch Pro controller. It is also compatible with the eXtremeRate DTFS LED Kit V2 for an even more enhanced setup. We are here to help if you encounter any issues. Please feel free to reach out to us with any questions or concerns about your new trigger kit. What we like. This kit transforms your Nintendo Switch Pro controller with a custom Clicky flex cable, significantly shortening the trigger distance for faster shooting. Installation is straightforward with provided guides. If you're a shooter game enthusiast looking to gain a competitive edge with quicker trigger responses, this upgrade is a must-have. What people say. The new feel of the buttons is nice and clicky. They have very little travel, and are quick to react. They also have make a little click sound as feedback. A detail I like is that there are little rubber plugs that you insert into the plastic buttons to close the distance between the switches and the triggers. These give it a nice, satisfying feel. Switch Pro controllers have digital input for the 4 shoulder buttons. This swap basically eliminates any travel for said buttons. The click feedback is a welcome touch. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.